Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar daily task list in Outlook 2016. This feature is incredibly useful because it allows you to see both your scheduled appointments and your to-do items in one unified view, making it much easier to plan your day efficiently. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account. You'll need to wait a moment for your emails to load completely. This initial loading process ensures that all your data, including calendar events and tasks, are properly synced and ready to access. Once your email has been loaded and you can see your inbox, we're ready to begin adding the calendar daily task list in Outlook 2016. Navigate to your calendar menu, which is located on the bottom left part of your screen. You'll see a small calendar icon there. Click on it to switch from your email view to your calendar view. This calendar icon is your gateway to managing all your appointments and schedules in Outlook. Once you're on your calendar menu, look at the top part of your screen and click on the View tab. This tab contains all the viewing options that control how your calendar displays information. From your View tab, look for the Arrangement section. Here you'll find different ways to view your calendar, such as day, week, or month views. Enable the day view by clicking on it. This switches your calendar to show just a single day at a time, which is perfect for focusing on today's tasks and appointments. Now, once on your calendar day view, you'll notice that the daily task list appears in the Layout section at the top toolbar. Click on it and a drop-down option will appear. This drop-down gives you control over how prominently your task list is displayed. From the list of options, simply select Normal. As soon as you do this, a list of daily tasks will appear at the bottom of your day calendar. This integration means you can now see your scheduled meetings at the top and your pending tasks at the bottom, all in one convenient view. And there you have it. You've successfully added the calendar daily task list in Outlook 2016, giving you a complete overview of both your appointments and your to-do items for the day. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.